All right, so right now you can see the image we just insert. It's not a full screen image. So for we to have something full at the background, you can go ahead and click on this place, edit section. Then you come over here and select content, ensure it's in full width. The height, put it to fit to screen. Ensure the column position is in stretch, and then you can leave other settings as it is. Okay, another thing is for this text to be in the middle because it should not be proper for we to have it over here. So you can go ahead and say vertical alignment middle. So you can see right now we have our text in the middle. So you can go ahead and update, and there you have it. So if you want to change anything, you can type anything, change anything, start updating. For example, I want to change the color. If I want to change the color of this section, I can just easily come over here, typography, and decide to change the color, so that I can have a perfect blend of what I'm doing. I can change the color. I can give it any color I want so that to blend with what I'm doing. Initially, I can center this statement, just give it a design of your own. Another cool features from this is that I can blend what I just wrote now together with the picture so that it can blend. That is another thing about this Elementor that Elementor gives to us, and actually go ahead and ensure you blend the pictures together with text. So if I want to probably add another section after this now, we have our first section, which is this picture with heading text, probably carrying the name of our company or anything we want to add, maybe the name of the product that is on sale, off sales, and stuff like that. So I can go ahead and add another section, like for instance, using three column section. So as you can see over here, I can click here and choose to add, anything depending on how I want to design it. Of course, for this course, we are going to be using a template very soon that is already made, or let me say provided for us. So I can go ahead and, just look for something to add to that place right there. Add different things, Let me see what I can add to this three column. For instance, I can add image box to the text column. I'll come back again, add, different things. I can add item box to this. Also come back and, just trying to bring out my creativity into the designs to make sure I'm having a good moment of designs. So I can maybe, for example, add my progress bar. So as I have a progress bar here, if I want to duplicate this, I can easily duplicate it by right clicking with my mouse, then click duplicate, and go ahead and duplicate it as many times as possible I want. If I want to duplicate the whole of this section, probably I also want to have it now. I can go ahead and click on this edit section and then click on duplicate. So I have it, you can see I have it duplicated down here immediately. I can duplicate any section like that and so on and so forth, and then beautify the website the way I want it to look like. I'm just trying to give us some cool background of how we can make use of Elementor. I edit all this text. We can change this image. Come over here, select image, look for the image, and then upload it there. Yes. that changing the image, ensure that you understand and you know the size that will be perfect for it. Of course, you can crop it. So if I'm changing this image, I can just easily upload file, or probably, just search for image I can use, and then go ahead and use the image. So, but for now, we are not going to be, I can Vanto element that will still give us some options of images that we can select if it's available and fit into our to what we want to use it for. You can go ahead and search for the kind of image you are looking for. Probably maybe I'm looking for let me say school, school image. Let's see what's called, can just go ahead and okay, I think I like this. I can go ahead and import, and then after importing I insert. So let's just try it, give it a try out. I'll go ahead and import. Using this for the first time, it wants me to register, but I don't think I'm interested in doing all this for now. You can go ahead and do the same thing. So of course, this Evanto element also has its pro version. So you can go ahead and again, not all images that you see here are free. Some are not free, while some are free. So if it is not a free image, then you should know that downloading it will not be easy for you. So just go ahead and explore, and you can go ahead and add different things like that. So you'll be looking at more things that we can do with